you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hey. How is everyone doing on this marvelous day today? I don't know what today is. I never do. But today's video is on unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I got day before yesterday. No, I got yesterday. So yeah, if this is your first time seeing my face on your screen, I hope you like me enough to stick around, smash the button. With the big old comments, what's up? To the new ones, hello. So yeah, we are unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I done already took the clear wrapping that came off of it. And I'm going to also show you guys my phone case that I got. So yeah. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 64 gigabytes. And the box just looks like this. It's gold and black. I got the gold phone. It's like this. Got a little weight to it. And the gold Apple sign. This is an early birthday present to myself. So we're gonna open it. Ooh. It has the 3 cameras. And see, I'm recording this video with my old phone. Yeah. As you can see, it has, oh, it got a little weight to it too. So, the template with the instructions designed by Apple in California, blah, blah, blah. The adapter charger piece, which is bigger than the old one, because I have the 8, using the 8 Plus. It has, you know, the little earbuds that comes with it, and the charging port. So, the charger piece. So, yeah, that's all that comes in there. And now I'm going to show you guys the phone. I'm going to be very careful because I got to put a case on this phone. My case is over there too, so that's, my God, I'm loving it. Turn this bad boy in. It's powering up. If I do not find nothing to open this iPhone, I ain't gonna be able to set it up. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I had to end up shooting this video the second day because when I shot it like day before yesterday, which was the 7th, so I'm just adding on to this, the first time I shot. But yeah, I had to end up going to Sprint to get my phone set up because I did not do it right. So now I'm going to show you my phone. It is already, I took the plastic off. My heat is about to come, but it's okay. I took the plastic off. It's a gold iPhone. It's the 64 gigabytes, and it looks like this. I'm going to also show you the case that I bought for it. Like I said, I already set it up. I wasn't going to do an unboxing. I was going back and forth, but somebody in my comments said I should do one, and plus my girlfriend did. But this is the box. This is the phone. As you can see, I set it up. And today is January 9th. When I did the video, it was January 7th. But yeah, this is the phone. This is the front of the phone. And you see it's nothing but screen. All screen. This is I want to say this phone is a 6.7 inch. Either 6.5 or 6.7. Don't quote me wrong, but as you can see, this is the phone, and then this is the back of the phone. It has 3 cameras, beautiful camera, love it, and it's like a brassy color gold all around, and it's like a pastel matted gold on the back with the gold apple. But like I said, this was an early birthday present to myself. I like the phone. It's 64 gigabytes. I really don't need that much storage because I was going to get the 256 gigabytes. But I don't need that much storage because when I shoot my videos, I bag my photos and videos up to my Google backup. I don't listen to Apple Music. I listen to Spotify. So all my music on Spotify is there. So I have an Apple phone, but I don't listen to Apple Music. So 4 gigabytes is good enough for me. And it's black all around. I love my phone so much. I am team iPhone. This phone is $1,000 and some change. I got it for an early birthday present for myself. So yeah, this is the phone once again, and this is the back. At first, I wasn't going to get the phone when it came out because I was like, I don't like how those 3 cameras look on the back. They look like tabletop. But I love the phone. I seen a girl with the same phone in gold, and I asked her, I'm like, can I see your phone? And that's what made me decide, say, yeah, I'm going to get the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now I'm going to show you guys my case. This is my case that I bought, and I bought this um, hook holder for the back of the phone from Burlington. But this is my case. I got this from Amazon, and it's just gold, black, and it looks stiff, but it's actually bendable silicone case. And this is the case, and I'm gonna put the phone back in there. I do not want to drop this bad boy. So this is the phone in the case. That's my niece. But this is the back of the phone, and I bought this from Burlington. And this is the phone case. So yeah, that is my unboxing of my phone. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to let you know every time I upload. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. And my heat is coming on. Well, bye, y'all.